All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 5 Minutes of Math. This is the homework that is assigned for the evening of January 5th, 2018. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so our goal here is to, again, isolate that variable, and these are still inequalities. This says 3 is less than the quantity y plus 8. So, using our subtraction property of inequality, we're going to subtract 8 from both sides to get that y by itself. So, the plus 8 minus 8, they cancel out. 3 minus 8 is negative 5. So we have negative 5 is less than y. If we turn it around so that the variable is on the other side, it's y is greater than negative 5. Same thing. So we're going to have an open dot sitting right on negative 5. All right. So when you draw your number line, make sure that open dot is there. And that means that y is greater than negative 5. Doesn't include negative 5. So we shade all the way over to the right, indicating that it's greater. And we're good to go. Now let's move on to number 9. Our problem goal here is to get that variable all by itself. So we have c plus 10 is less than 9. So we're going to subtract 10 from both sides. And we end up with c is less than negative 1. Now, these problems were very simple, but that was on purpose. This is more to get you all used to the idea of solving an inequality and then graphing an inequality. And for these, you treat them the same way we do equations, okay? So here, c is less than negative 1. So open dot on negative 1, shade all the way over to the left. And that's what that answer looks like. Let's go on to number 10. And we have g minus 4 is greater than or equal to 13. Now we know when we graph this is going to be a closed circle because it's greater than or equal to. So again, there's that subtraction property of inequality. G minus 4 plus 4 is greater than or equal to 13 plus 4. So we have g is greater than or equal to 17. So that's a closed dot sitting right on 17. And just keep in mind that when you graph these, you have to adjust your number line to account for wherever your answer is going to be. So you have to have a 17 there. So there's mine. And g is greater than 17, shade over to the right. That's your answer. All right. Thank you again for listening, and I will talk to you all again soon. Have a good one.